super delicious gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free flax seeds and pumpkin seeds cookies. You have to take at least 3 of these daily if you want to treat your Pcos as a part of your seed cycling routine, whether it be for Pcos, for weight loss, or as a general snack. See how cute these cookies look. So, whenever you feel like eating a super healthy, super delicious snack, take a cup of flax seeds and a cup of pumpkin seeds. I have attached links in the description box below on where to buy them. You can very easily actually buy them on the Raz. So, like, you have to dry roast them. Don't add any oil or any water to your pan, just on your pan or tawa. Dry roast them. When you hear crackles, turn off the heat and let them cool down. Once cool down, grind them in your grinder to make a fine flour. Now add a bit of salt, a bit of sweetener. I am adding this Oriza stevia because I have tested it many times. I checked my sugar levels before taking a sweet made with the Oriza stevia and after it, and always my sugar levels decrease. So anyway, mix all these dry ingredients and then add a cup of coconut milk and knead it. Knead it till it takes form and the whole mixture is homogenized. Now it is your choice. You can either shape your cookies by hand or you can shape them in silicone molds as I am doing. You can sprinkle them with nuts or seeds of your choice. Basically, decoration is up to you. Now bake them till they are done. For me, it took about 25 minutes, and after that, let them cool down. After they are cooled down, now you have a choice. Either you can eat them as such or you can dunk them into your chocolate ganache. It is very easy to make ganache. Just take about 50 grams of 90% Lindt chocolate, add some stevia, add about 3 tablespoons of cream, mix it well and put it in microwave for about 10 seconds. It will melt and then you can dip your biscuits or cookies halfway and you will get this beautiful design. Here, let me eat one and show you the inside also. You can see the inside is crispy. And you can see we have made these cookies with flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. These are to be used in day 1 to day 14 of your cycle if you want to use seed cycling for hormonal balance. And for day 15 to day 28 we have to use sunflower seeds and sesame seeds. And we have already shared these cookies with sunflower seeds and sesame seeds on our channel. Do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right below and follow us on our Instagram and all our social media. Because although I am a medical doctor myself, but I strictly believe that your health does not depend on 1 or 2 or 3 pills that you take once or twice or thrice a day. It depends on the food that you eat every day, the whole day long. That's why I have shared the links to purchase all these ingredients so that you can go and make it instantly. And let me know in the comment section below how long it took for you to make these cookies and how delicious these were. Take care till you meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.